Are you looking for the fishing adventure of a lifetime? Have you been dreaming about landing that once-in-a-lifetime Chinook or coho? Maybe you've been thinking about hooking into a monster lingcod. Or how about coming home with a bucket load of prawns or crab? Go Fish Charters can help make your fishing dreams come true. Based out of beautiful Gabriola Island, BC, Go Fish Charters is literally only minutes away from some of the best and most accessible fishing BC has to offer. Loaded with the latest fishing, navigation, and safety gear, their completely customized Harborcraft Kingfisher is a fisherman's dream. Your guide Regan has been fishing the waters around Gabriola for decades, and he knows every nook and cranny along this coast. If you're looking to catch salmon, Regan and his skipper Sylvie land more salmon in a season than most of us will see in a lifetime. If it's bottom fish you're after, there isn't a place any decent-sized lingcod can hide that Regan hasn't fished. Call today to book a charter for this season or next. Fish and fun guaranteed.